In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can download Fortnite on your Android phone. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to head over to our Galaxy Store. So once we open up the Galaxy Store right here, what we can do now is we can go to the search icon and then we can search for Fortnite. Once we search for Fortnite, we will now need to download the Epic Games Store. So if we click on download, that will initiate the download process. As you can see, it's really fast and it's now installing. So once this has now installed, we can click on the play button, which will then open up the Epic Games Store. And from here, what we can do now is you will be able to see all of the games that are available on the Epic Games Store, so like Fortnite, Rocket League. So click on Fortnite. That will bring you then to this page where you can now click on the install button, click on continue, and then as you can notice now, the download has now started. So this will only take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speeds, and then once it's downloaded, it will then install to your device. As you can see, the download is really fast, and like I said before, it will take a couple of minutes just to download, and then once it's installed, you will then be able to open up the game. And then as you can see, once it's installed, we can now click on the launch button. Once we click on launch, that should then launch into Fortnite, and as you can see, Fortnite is now loading up. And this is how you can go ahead and download Fortnite on your Android. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.